protein and fiber sitting in a tree. Legumes. Today, we're talking about legumes.
What's a legume?
It's a legume, which basically is just like a seed pod.
Oh, wow. Cool, you're really smart.
Here's a little sample of legumes, but there are so many. Peanut, chickpea, lentil, green pea. Try legumes in recipes like this. You can also make things like hummus, soups, curries, sloppy joes, kale salad with garbanzo beans, buffalo chickpea sandwiches, black bean lentil soups, roasted green peas, lentil lasagna. So trust me when I say that legumes are a must.
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay, fine, I'll leave.